Good morning. It's Thursday. We here at the office. Got to go to the mountains today. I'm not sure how many stops or anything like that, but hopefully there's no 18-wheelers that show up. Hopefully we don't have to unload anything. Hopefully we got a straight load and get it done. My partner just said 10 stops. I don't know if he's talking smack or not, but we'll see when we get to the list. Doing the box truck. So we got a big house job, which is this. And then that stuff on the wall. We got one truck loaded. We couldn't fit that job on the whole truck, so gonna have to start another truck. We just loaded truck 2. About to start on truck 3. Got 14 stops today. 3rd truck down. I lied to y'all. We got 15 stops, not 14. All right, we on the road. First stop is Big Canoe. Gonna be heading up there through Gainesville. He got him one. About to cross over a small part of Lake Lanier. Apparently this lake's got bodies. They're making a movie about it. I used to come here dang near every weekend when I was a kid. You didn't hear about that stuff back then. Work zone. This is a perk of being paid by the hour and not the mile or the job. When we sit, we get paid. First stop, Big Canoe. To kind of explain to you how big Big Canoe is, from the gate, it is 17 minutes to this job site. It's crazy. Big Canoe's beautiful lake. We're on a steady incline. We just passed a sign that said the elevation is 2,000 feet. The lady at the front gate said that we're going to be about 4,000 feet up when we get to this job site. Still going up. Film all these switchbacks they got us driving through. This subdivision is littered with them. Some more crazy switchbacks. We're here. Look at this nice view. I don't know if we're quite 4,000 feet up, but it's nice. Okay. Boom. Yes, sir. Until next time, Big Canoe. That's it. I'm going to come back, turn around. It's a nice view. Pulling into stop number 3. It's got one window on this bad boy. Here's another one. The door wouldn't fit through the front door, so we had to orchestrate to where the crew got a crane to put it on the back porch. I've been here 18 years. I've never seen this done. I don't know. There she blows. Whole bunch of stuff in the way. You got it?
Yep. Ready?
Hang on. All right. They got a heck of a view. And it's a long way down. Drive up their long driveway. I see the porta potty. Man, right off the river.
That's beautiful. All right, we're at the next one. 5 stops are in this subdivision, so I'm not gonna put my head, or I'm not gonna put the dash cam on. Just gonna do the head cam, run with it. Last stop for this one. Put the screen right there on the porch. That was just one single window that goes there. Dude got it. Need to redo these doors, make them tighter. Door panels, I mean. Cool, 2 more stops. These used to be old logging roads back in the 20s and 30s. Now they're building houses by them because they're probably running out of room. Hope a car doesn't come. I don't think we can get by each other. Pulling up. Next to last job site. The biggest job on our truck. And this whole garage got crap all in it. I hate jobs like this. Now we got all the crap on the left side. This compressor's still running, so we'll catch back up with you.
It's gonna be too far out. It's gonna be in the window. Come on. Pivot it over this way. Alright.
Yes, we're not straight. Alright. Come on with it.
1, 2, 3.
We couldn't get it in through the door. Handle's broke. Everything's broke. It's falling apart. So the builder might be mad, but we're gonna put these right here, leave them there for him. It ain't gonna be raining. It's a nice view though. I like the forest. gravel. Been driving gravel all day. Seems like it anyway. There's a deer, I don't know if you caught it, in the field to the right. The convoy. 3 trucks out today. What's up, y'all? Started at 7 o'clock this morning. It is 10:15 at night. 15 and a half hours. So I'm done.